Hi, my name is Igor. I'm one of the engineers at CriticalPath. In this video, I want to show you how to install our plugin to instrument your app to use it with our tool. For this demo, I prepared a tiny application. It only has one button. You can click it and it will open pop-up, and basically that's it. Let's take a look at the folder structure of this app. So we have the project folder, and it has some project level config files. It also has the app folder, which has some config files related to the app itself and also the source code of the app. Let's navigate to the traces page on our site, and it will have all the information you need to instrument the app. First, you need to create a product science properties file that will include our token. It should be on the top level of the project. Next, we need to add our Maven repository into the build Gradle file, which is also located in the root level of your project. So here it is. If it doesn't have the build script property, you can add it. Next, you need to add the link to Maven repository into the settings Gradle file, which is also located in the root level of your project. Here it is. Yeah. And the last bit is to add our plugin into the build Gradle file on the app folder. So you see this app folder, it has build Gradle file, and it has this plugins property, and we can add it here. And that's it. Let's build the app and see how it goes. So you see we're building something. If you see some unusual warnings here, that's okay, just ignore this. Yeah, it's built and it's opened, it works fine. If you want to double check that the app was instrumented successfully, you can start recording the trace and open the app, and you will see this tiny barcode on the top with frame counter. We use this barcode to sync UX video of your app with the trace. We will cover this on next videos. If you have any troubles with instrumenting your app, please write us a message. You can click this intercom button on the bottom of the site and drop us a message, and we will try to help you. On the next video, we'll show you how to set up your phone to record traces, to record them, and to upload traces to our app and open them.